What's up everybody, I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you're new here, my name is John. I am a washed up TikTok star who was only kind of famous because of his twin brother, and now I make videos on YouTube about health, fitness, and overall personal wellness. And so if those types of videos interest you, definitely like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. By the way, I actually got a new full-fledged podcast gaming type microphone for my YouTube setting now. Before, I didn't have any microphones at all. I would just use my iPhone, what I'm recording on right now, but that was it. I didn't have any microphone accessory attached to it. That's why my sound quality was kind of trash in my previous videos, but my brother kept crying to me about getting the new mic for my YouTube videos and all that, blah, blah, blah. He wouldn't stop bothering me about it. So I finally just got one, and I'm kind of glad he nagged me about it because it's pretty cool. I like it, and it's definitely a step up to my YouTube career, I guess you could say. I'm actually 1 subscriber away from 100 subscribers, and I'm kind of excited about that, but I don't know what to do. I think I should make a separate video on that accomplishment, but I don't know what this topic would be, but I don't know. I'll think of something. In case you're wondering about the new microphone I got, it's in front of me right now, but I don't want to touch it, mess up the whole microphone setup I got going on here. But this is the box it came in, and it's called the Yeti Blackout Plus Ubisoft. This is the one my brother has, and he's been telling me it works really good. This was around $130, I think it is. I got it at Walmart. I think it was around 130 bucks, but I'm not exactly too sure. But yeah, definitely let me know what the sound quality sounds like, if it sounds better or worse. I think it was worth every penny, but yeah, definitely let me know. By the way, the AC in my apartment is still broken. It's been broken for like the past 4 months now, probably longer. And I swear I'm not a douchebag that likes to wear tank tops every time to show off his baby muscles. It's just that this is the only thing I can wear to stay cool, and even then I'm still freaking hot in this thing. And I don't even know what I'm going to wear for my next video if the AC is still broken. Sorry, I just wanted to rant for a little bit. Thank you for listening to my rant. Now we can get into the video. So jumping right into the video, this is my 6-month retinol update, specifically with the product, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, the fragrance-free version. And this is a little part 2 to my first video ever on YouTube, actually. The 3-month, I forgot what it was called. It was like how I cleared my acne in 3 months with affordable products, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, this is a part 2 to that video, so if you haven't seen that one, definitely go check that one out after this video. Basically, a little summary of that first video I did. It was majority about my retinol progress and how it was clearing my skin, but I also went over a little bit of my acne experience and what was causing my acne to flare up and what I did to start clearing it. And so definitely go check that one out if you are experiencing acne, because you might be going through the same thing that I was. And so you might try some of the tips that I did to clear my acne as well. So this video specifically is going to go over my 3 to 6 month progression of retinol use. But before we get into that, I want to show a quick flashback photo of me when I first started my retinol. And so this is a picture of me in December 25th, Christmas Day, I believe, of 2021. As you can see, my skin was super flared with acne. I was at my lowest point, and I couldn't get any lower than this, honestly. This was the most I've ever broken out ever in my entire life. So that was my skin at the beginning of my retinol journey, and 3 months later, after sticking with the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream, this is how my skin turned out. And as you can see, the results are really, really good, and it cleared up my skin immensely. It not only got rid of my acne, but also cleared up some of the dark spots that come with acne as well. Again, I'm just really happy with the results and what the retinol did to clear my acne. And here I'll just show one more comparison photo between the first day I actually started the retinol and then 3 months later. So this was from my first day of retinol to my 3 months, and then this photo is from my 3 months to 6 months of retinol use. Now, as you can see, it's not a super drastic change, especially when comparing it to when I first started my retinol, but it definitely is clearing up my skin a little bit. My skin is slowly going back to its natural skin tone color and clearing up the dark spots and pigmentation. Although it's a very minimal difference and not super noticeable, there definitely is an improvement. Just like I did in my first video, I also took a photo of my skin once a week, every week within the 3 month time span. And so I'll post those in a little slideshow here right now so that you could see the little slight progression within that time frame. As for my skin routine, I'm pretty much doing the same thing that I mentioned in my first video. Nothing's changed. I'm still using my Vanity Cream Gentle Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin with my retinol every night. And occasionally I do use the Neutrogena spot treatment with the 10% benzoyl peroxide, but I don't use it really that often because I don't really break out anymore. And so of course the majority of the progression is because of my Neutrogena retinol. Because of my job and because of what I do for work, I work in a hot kitchen in front of a steam table all day, and so I am occasionally bound to break out from a few pimples every now and then, just because of what I do and the environment that I'm in every day. And so you will see a few pimples within my progression pictures come and go, but even then, when I do get a pimple now because of the retinol, it's not as cystic and as like blemishing as it was before. Now it kind of clears up within just a few days, as opposed to when I wasn't using the retinol. I'll have a cystic pimple for like a week or even longer. This retinol I first found out about by Dr. Dre. She recommended it to anyone who is first starting a retinol as a beginner retinol because it's not as irritating as other retinols tend to be. And I was thinking about switching to a stronger retinol, but I don't know. I decided to just stick with this one for the next year at least, because I want to give this retinol a good year of progression to see what my skin will actually be like after 12 months. So in the future I'll give a 9-month update, and then for my last video I'll do a full 12 months update of my skin with the Neutrogena retinol, and then maybe I might switch to a stronger one, but for now I'm going to stick with this one. After that I might switch to another retinol, a stronger retinol, just so I can kind of upgrade my skin routine. But I kind of want to try the CeraVe one. That one seems to have really good results as well. But definitely give the Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream, fragrance free. Oh my god, I lost my breath just saying all that. But definitely give that one a try if you are new to skincare and you want to improve your skin. That's a really good beginner retinol to start off with. Alright, so that was my quick 3 to 6 month progression update of my Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. If you haven't checked out my first video, go check that one out so you can get the full story of my little journey. And I'll definitely give some more updates of this retinol. I'll stick with it for a year. Alright, so that's all I got for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something today from my experience to better yourself. And again, keep a lookout for the 9 and 12 month transformation of my Neutrogena retinol journey. Of course, like and subscribe for more videos. And until then, I will see you in the next one.